is the Play-Doh I made, and I thought I should share you how to make your own Play-Doh. What we will need is some white flour and some salt and some water and some oil and food color. So whatever food color you have, you can use it, and use any color you want. You can use any color you want. Let's get started. So I'll take this bowl and I'll put 4 spoons of white flour. So I'll take 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now I'll add some salt. 2 spoons of salt. So I'll add 1 and 2. Now we'll mix it. I think I'll mix it with this spoon. Now we'll set these 2 aside. And we'll set this one aside. Now we'll take this bowl. And I'll take this one. And so we'll add 2 cups, 2 spoons of water. We'll add 1 and 2. Okay, this much of water should be fine. And we will add 1 spoon of oil. 1. And now let's add some food color. And we'll add just a little pinch. I'll take this cover out. Which one I should use though? I'll use this spoon which I stored in the wheat flour. And I'll take a little bit, but this size should be enough. And drop it in. Let's mix it. Mix, 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 mix. Okay. We mixed our food coloring until the food color is all done. Now we'll add the white flour and the salt. And there. And now we'll mix it up. Mix, mix. Keep mixing until you get it. Oh, mix, mix, mix. Put it in the bowl or in the table and ball. Now, and if you need more water, you can add it. Let's mix it up. Mix, mix. Very squishy. Look. Oh, look, our Play-Doh is ready. So you can store it in a Ziploc bag, or you can store it in a plastic bag. Here, I'm going to store it in this nice Play-Doh box. And then now I'm going to close it. And then you can store it in the fridge. Bye friends. Make sure you like or dislike if it's not good. And make sure to subscribe for more of my videos.